Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and good morning all of you. Today I came farm after a long time. I got time because I was busy in construction work and today there is no work at home, and I thought I should go farm and see the fields. Actually it's been long. I I could not come here because of work, and that's why I came. Today weather is really nice, not heat and not cold, little bit cloudy weather, and wind is blowing. It's so nice. And when I woke up, first I thought I should go city because I need to buy something. Then I decide like I should go farm first. Then after that I will go little late to the city. So that's why I came here, and my father also came, but they are little far from me. I was sitting one place and thinking like thinking about my YouTube channel because I stopped. It's been long, like which kind of video I should make. Then I was getting nothing, so I thought like I should just record whatever I'm thinking right now. So that's why I'm just recording and going our farm. This one is also a farm. You can see so many weeds. My father is coming this side, but I'm going that side. Actually he said to me, let's come that area, but I just denied. I just want to sit one place for a while. So that's why. You can see they are coming. My elder sister's son and my father is there. Hi Aman.
Hi.
Say again. There is a hole in the field and my father is filling it with soil to close it. See guys, Aman is climbing the tree. It's a neem tree. Some leaves get dried, and this is peanut. These all are peanuts. And let me show you another. See Aman. And you can see the peanuts here. And so guys, these all are peanuts, and that grandfather has grown up a lot of things. Let me show you some vegetables here, and that vegetable is, I think, lady's finger. See, so many lady's fingers are there. And it's looking so beautiful. Can you see the lady's finger? And that one is bitter gourd.